Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Occam's Razor Garden. The rains have finally shifted to intermittent thunderstorms for the next couple of days. Oh yeah. Looks like I'll be getting some new potatoes out of the compost pile before anywhere else. I gotta climb in here and pull some weeds. Get rid of those sappers down there. How's the peonies doing? Oh, they just want to come out and burst on their own time. Yeah, these will be coming up too. I'll be soon time to collect all these plastic containers and redo the ant traps for the year. Oh, look at all the mosquitoes coming out. Yeah, humidity right now is what, 92%? Well, how are you fellas doing? Eh? More plants coming out of the ground. Oh, these have done well. Yes, they have. All right. Well, at this rate, it looks like grass cutting is going to be on Tuesday. Before we get another week of projected cloudiness and rain. Oh yes. Well, they're doing fine. Okay, what are you crawling on? No, you've flown off. Good. No, did some weed picking yesterday. Some more have come out. Well, looks like the critters are staying at bay. Maybe they have enough to eat up against the fence line. A little progress here on the carrots. Well, in spite of their yellow tinge, they seem to be growing a little bit. Let's hope they continue. And the onion bed is onioning. Look at you, kale, go. I'm gonna have to start picking off those bottom leaves. I had a few of them a couple of days ago. Ate a bit. Offered some to my higher power. To be thankful for the growing season. Look at you, peas. Oh. I think it's time to train you. Are you trainable? I do not know. How about you fellas over here? Now, a little more. Oh, he's caught on. He's caught on right here. How are the beans? Well, straight out of the soil. Yeah, still suffering there from the critters. Some of them are still getting through though. You're not a bean. Okay. Well, those should be almost up to the lattice by next week. Should be getting some beans by the end of June. All right. Still only the 2 potatoes. I'm sure the others will come up soon. All right, well, the garden grows. And let's make our way to the front. All right. Now all the flowers are coming out. No, these are all gonna flower soon. All right, has there been any growth? I have to get in here and start pulling some weeds too. Okay, we've got you there. What along the back? Anything? The pumpkins have not come up yet. Now, these little digging holes, I wonder if they dug up my seeds. All right, well, I guess we'll throw in some more pumpkin seeds today and see what happens. And there's that plant. There's the other one here. I don't think that's one of them. All right, well, only time will tell if those seeds that I've planted will come up. And all you morning glories there just look ready to take off. And on to the favorite bush of the day, the birdshit berry bush. All right. Oh, it's quite buggy this morning. Of course it is. All right, well, that's about it for today's growth. The sun is out right now. And will be intermittent for the next couple of days. But the garden grows. And I have to start getting together our recipes so that when things are available, we can immediately can on the go. Because that's usually what happens. Is that you got to can it when it's fresh. If you want it crunchy coming out of the jar, you got to put it in crunchy. You can't let it sit for a couple of days because you just end up with soft pickles. This has been Occam's Razor Garden. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.